no, mga more than 7 minutes ago, the city of Çanakkale in Turkey. It's a long drive, no, from Istanbul, around 500 kilometers yung trip. So we're going to Kilitbahir on the other side, you know, yan na siya padating sa kabila na area. So yung normal na rota is you have to take yung bridge, no, sa other side of yung Dardanelles. Yung this is just a narrow strait of yung Dardanelles at mapapasok din yung mga boats here. Kita mo. But kung magbabaylan ka, iikot ka, it will take you more than an hour. Kung round trip, mga an hour and 30 minutes ata daw, or 2 hours. You take the ferry to take you mga around ito, no? Less than 15 minutes daw. Nasa kabila na tayo. So let us just check yung, kasi padating na rin, ha? Padating na rin tayo. Just few minutes we'll be reaching the other side of the strait. Very historic yung place, because remember Gallipoli, no? It's First World War ba? Second World War? First World War ata, no? Kasi because yung Turkish troops, diba, they were the Ottomans before, no? Yung empire. Let us check no dun sa kabila. Nandun yung boat ata crossing. Yan, no? The other side, you can see you have a lot of mga birds na lumilipad, oh. They're just following yung boat, no? Ang galing. We'll go here. Andito yung boat, no? Facing, oh, this side, ha? So we'll be landing on the other side na area. Very nice, no? So we left, no, city of Çanakkale in Turkey. We'll be crossing on the other side of this is Dardanelles Strait. No, historical masyado to. Narinig ko nagbabasa tayo during the time of the Roman Empire, panahon ng mga Greek gods, Roman gods, na may mention to. Yan. Cross yung sea. Ibig sabihin malalim to dito, because even this big na mga ships can cross the strait. Pwede rin ko siyang lagyan talaga ng bridge, no? Faster way. But there's a bridge there, no? You have to travel almost an hour daw. Iikot ka to cross. Kasi pag cross dito, Istanbul is on the other side. Okay?